Hi, welcome. Thank you for being here. Today I'll be showing you how to make baked chicken breast that's not dry. So stay tuned and check out this recipe. So to get started, I have my baking sheet lined with aluminum foil, 4 pieces of chicken breast, some olive oil, and my seasoning prepped. Also, I'll be preheating my oven to 400 degrees. So let's get right into it. So off camera, I decided to clean my chicken breast and have it prepped and ready by washing it in vinegar water. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my prepped chicken breast onto my baking sheet. After doing so, I'm going to go ahead with my seasoning that I have already prepped. In this, I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, half tablespoon of chili powder, or you can also use paprika, 1 teaspoon Italian season, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon onion powder, 1.5 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I'm going to mix it well together so that it can be well blended. Then I'm going to go ahead and add it onto my chicken breast. Now that my seasoning is blended, I am going to go ahead and drizzle some olive oil over onto my chicken breast and use my brush to coat it properly. Then I'm going to go in with my seasoning. Now that my chicken breast is fully seasoned and ready to put into the oven, I am going to go ahead and do so. My oven is already set for 400 degrees and I'm setting a timer for 18 minutes. Now that my chicken breast is fully cooked and out of the oven, this is the secret to keeping it moist and juicy. It's to cover it with your aluminum foil for 5 minutes, set it aside before cutting into it. Now that it's almost time to cut into my chicken breast, I like to go ahead and sprinkle some parsley flakes over onto my chicken breast, as well as brushing it with the juices that came from the chicken. Because for me, presentation is key. So I'm about to cut into my chicken breast now, and you will see how moist and juicy it is. I decided to go ahead and make some broccoli to go with my chicken breast. But this is it, guys. Thank you guys for watching and staying with me until the end. So please make sure to check the description below because I'll be leaving the ingredients and the measurement to this recipe.